Most people think you need a skill, a degree, or years of experience to make money online. You don't. Right now, in 2026, there are people pulling in $2,000 to $8,000 a month using free and cheap AI tools, and most of them started with zero experience. Here are 5 of them, and exactly how each one makes money. Let's start with the obvious one, but not the obvious use case. Everyone knows about ChatGPT. Almost nobody is using it right to make money. Here's what actually works. Done-for-you content packages. Businesses like local restaurants, gyms, and law firms need social media content every week. They hate making it. They don't know how. You charge them $300 to $500 a month to handle it. ChatGPT writes the content in minutes. You review, format, and send it. One guy named Marcus, a 27-year-old warehouse worker. He landed his first 3 clients in 2 weeks by cold messaging local businesses on Instagram. He's now at $2,400 a month. Part-time. The tool is free. The service is worth hundreds. Canva added AI features that most people ignore. Magic Design, AI image generation, and the Brand Kit tools let you build professional graphic assets in under 10 minutes. The money play. Etsy digital products. People sell Canva templates, resume templates, planner templates, social media kits, $5 to $25 each. Low ticket, but it stacks. A woman named Priya quit her part-time job after her Canva template shop hit $1,100 in a single month. She uploads once. It sells forever. No shipping, no inventory, no customer service beyond a template file. This next one is genuinely underrated. ElevenLabs is an AI voice tool. You use one of their studio voices and generate professional-sounding audio narration from any text. The use case that's printing money right now: Faceless YouTube channels. You write a script, ElevenLabs reads it out loud, you pair it with stock footage, you upload it. Channels in niches like history facts, true crime, finance tips, and AI news are monetized with YouTube ad revenue, affiliate links, and sponsorships, without the creator ever appearing on camera or recording their own voice. ElevenLabs starts free. Paid plans start at $5 a month. One monetized channel can return that in the first week. Midjourney generates images, photorealistic ones, concept art ones, product mock-up ones. The money play here has 2 lanes. Lane 1. Sell AI-generated art as print-on-demand products on Redbubble or Printify. T-shirts, posters, phone cases. You make the image once. The platform prints and ships. Lane 2. Offer AI image generation as a freelance service. Brand mood boards, book cover concepts, social media visuals. Businesses pay $50 to $200 per project. Neither requires you to be a trained designer. Midjourney does the design work. You handle the prompt and the client. Now the one that surprises people. AI-assisted writing for newsletters. The newsletter economy is real. Platforms like Beehive and Substack let you publish for free. Grow it to a few thousand subscribers in a niche. Personal finance, fitness, local food, and you monetize through sponsorships or paid subscriptions. The bottleneck used to be writing every week is hard. With AI, you outline the topic, feed it context, and generate a first draft in minutes. You edit for voice and publish. Smaller newsletters under 5,000 subscribers are landing $200 to $500 per sponsored issue, because advertisers want niche audiences, not massive generic ones. 5 tools, 5 real income paths, and every single one of them has been validated by regular people who started from zero. The difference between the people making money with these tools and the people still watching videos about it? The ones making money picked one. Just one, and they started. If you want the exact step-by-step process for the ChatGPT content agency model, that's in the next video. Watch it now.